9 secrets locals don't tell you about Portugal. Moving to Portugal is an exciting journey, but there are a few secrets locals don't usually share. These hidden gems and insights can make a huge difference in your expat experience. And today, we're uncovering the top 9 secrets locals don't tell you about Portugal. Ready to get the inside scoop? I'm Lisbob, your trusty expat assistant, and I'm here to guide you through it all. The true pace of life. One secret locals don't often share is the true pace of life in Portugal. While many expats envision a laid-back, leisurely lifestyle, the reality can vary greatly depending on where you live. In bustling cities like Lisbon and Porto, life moves at a faster pace, with busy streets and a vibrant business environment. However, in smaller towns and rural areas, the pace slows significantly, aligning more closely with the idyllic, relaxed image many people have. Understanding these variations is crucial for setting realistic expectations and finding the right fit for your lifestyle. Navigating the housing market. The housing market in Portugal can be tricky, and locals know the ins and outs that many expats overlook. For instance, rental contracts can vary widely, and it's common for rental prices to spike in popular areas, especially during the tourist season. Additionally, finding a long-term rental can be challenging, as many properties are geared towards short-term vacation rentals. Locals often have the advantage of insider knowledge and connections to navigate this market more effectively. Expats should be prepared for some challenges and consider seeking local advice or working with a trusted real estate agent. Bureaucratic culture. Dealing with bureaucracy in Portugal involves more than just paperwork. It requires understanding the local bureaucratic culture. Processes can be slow and patience is essential. Knowing the right offices to visit and the correct procedures to follow can save you time and frustration. Additionally, establishing a good relationship with local officials can make a significant difference. This often overlooked aspect of Portuguese life is well understood by locals, who navigate it with a mix of persistence and local knowledge. Being prepared for these challenges can help you manage your expectations and navigate the system more effectively. I can help you obtaining the NIF number, your first and most important step to Portugal. Click on the link below. Real cost of living. The real cost of living in Portugal can be a surprise to many expats. While it's often touted as an affordable destination, locals know that expenses can add up quickly. Groceries, dining out, and utilities can be more costly than expected, especially in tourist-heavy areas. Hidden costs, like property maintenance and local taxes, can also catch newcomers off guard. It's crucial to budget realistically and consider these less obvious expenses to avoid financial strain. Real local cuisine. While Portugal's cuisine is famous for its seafood and pastries, locals enjoy a much broader culinary landscape. Traditional dishes vary greatly by region, with each area boasting its own specialties. Exploring local markets and eateries can reveal hidden gems that aren't on the typical tourist trail. Additionally, understanding Portuguese dining customs, such as the timing of meals and local etiquette, can enhance your culinary experience. Don't just stick to the well-known dishes. Dive deeper into the regional flavors for a true taste of Portugal. The importance of social connections. In Portugal, social connections are incredibly important, and this is something locals know well. Building a strong network can significantly impact your experience, from finding job opportunities to integrating into the community. Portuguese culture places a high value on relationships and trust, so making an effort to connect with locals can open many doors. Attending local events, participating in community activities, and simply being friendly and approachable can help you build these essential connections. Don't underestimate the power of a robust social network in enhancing your life in Portugal. Before we move on to the next point, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and download the free Lisbob application to receive the latest videos and exclusive news. Off the beaten path destinations. Locals know that Portugal's charm extends far beyond popular tourist destinations like Lisbon and Porto. There are countless off the beaten path spots that offer stunning beauty and rich culture without the crowds. Places like the Alentejo region, with its rolling plains and historic towns, or the untouched beaches of the Costa Vicentina, are favorites among locals. Exploring these lesser-known areas can provide a more authentic Portuguese experience and reveal the country's hidden treasures. Seasonal events and festivals. Portugal is home to numerous seasonal events and festivals that locals eagerly anticipate. These celebrations are deeply rooted in Portuguese culture and provide a fantastic way to immerse yourself in local traditions. From the vibrant Carnival in February to the music-filled Festas de Lisboa in June, there's always something happening. These events often feature traditional music, dance, and cuisine, offering a unique glimpse into Portuguese life. Mark your calendar and join in the fun to truly experience the local culture. Importance of cafe culture. Cafe culture in Portugal is more than just grabbing a quick coffee. It's a way of life. Locals often visit their favorite cafes daily, using these spots as social hubs to catch up with friends, discuss news, or simply relax. Understanding the significance of cafe culture can help you integrate better and make new connections. Spend time at local cafes, try different pastries, and engage with the community. Embracing this aspect of Portuguese life will enrich your experience and help you feel more at home. Avoiding these common pitfalls will make your move to Portugal much smoother. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please feel free to like it and share it with your loved ones. And in the meantime, see you soon.